Oh, sketchy? Sketchy kasi may hawak siya sketchpad. Hindi. My character is kind of quiet. It's the total opposite of who I am.
I think si Benj, he really has a facade. To describe him, siguro, kuya siya eh. So gusto niya magpakitang gilas, gusto niya ipakita na he can take control of things. But of course, lahat ng mangyayari sa kanila, it's his first time experiencing this. So, being a kuya, he wants to be there for the others, but at the same time, gusto niya din ipakita sa kanila na hindi niya alam anong gagawin sa sitwasyon na to, but he thinks fast on his feet. So, abangan niyo na lang kung anong maitutulong ni Benj.